Seventh video in our 7-part series here of the 7 tips dealing with the police. Very important. Before we get into it, an encounter with law enforcement is a stressful and even frightening experience for most people. The following guidelines will help you and your dealings with law enforcement in most situations. And if the encounter evolves into an arrest, please contact us, a professional criminal defense law firm. My name is Zachary Divelbiss. I'm the owner of Future First Criminal Law. These are tips that will be helpful if you ever encounter the police. It is not in your control to avoid the police, and so you should be prepared to know your rights. If you have not already, please watch our previous 6 videos that go over the previous 6 tips. We are at tip number 7 here. This is the final one we have for you. Very excited for this. Fight police violations in the courtroom, never in the streets. Very important here. I hope that you watching this video have watched many of my other videos. You know that I go in depth in the many different things that happen and can happen in criminal cases. But guess what? You are not an expert. You are not the person to deal with this with the police officer. We, as the lawyers who represent you, are trained and experienced to protect your rights. So if you believe that the law enforcement officer has violated your rights by stopping your vehicle without reasonable suspicion or conducting an unlawful search of your person, your car, your home, your other property, or by using unnecessary force, do not engage. Do not fight with that officer at the scene, on the side of the road, in the front yard of your house. Contact an experienced criminal defense law firm so that way we can help assess your situation and protect your rights. This is very common that if you try and do this yourself, if you try and argue with the police and you try and elicit, why you were pulled over and what the probable cause is and, all these warrant requirements, you are likely going to dig yourself into a deeper hole. My previous tips talk about being polite. Talk about the things that you should be saying and the things that you should not be saying to the police. When these things happen, because police are human too, police make mistakes. It is not your job to correct the police. It is our job, your criminal defense lawyers. We then go to the prosecutors and present your case to have it dismissed. Very important that you trust the professionals with your case and you don't try and handle this yourself. Years of law school, years of criminal defense experience has trained us to do this the right way. Very important here, police violations are fought in the courtroom and not in the streets. We as defense lawyers, we're not going to show up the moment you're arrested and say, hey officer, there's no probable cause violation here, so you have to release my client. That's not how it works. These fights happen in the courtroom and not in the streets. Very important here, the 7 tips. Please watch all the videos again if you have not already. Please share these videos with anybody who you think might find it valuable. I look forward to hearing anybody. If you've recently been arrested, if it's your first time being arrested, if you are scared about the process of what's happened here. If the police have contacted you, you would be great to seek a consult with us. Thank you very much for watching this video series. I look forward to speaking with you if you need our help.